Hello my friends, here's SAkGUY. Today I want to show you a new Victorinox model which I have designed for a friend in the USA. Here Matt is your Black Ninja knife. Yes, now I want to show you this 3-layer knife. It's very special because we have the Phillips screwdriver and the corkscrew. We can start here with the corkscrew, and here's a little screwdriver. Here's the pin. And the Phillips. Yes, the carbon scales are plus scales with a pen. Here the toothpick and here the tweezer. Yes, now the blades. The large blade and the bottle opener. The second layer is the scissors. The last layer we have the reamer from Pioneer, and another large blade with serration, and both are very sharp. The serration I can show you. This was a serration one. Normal blade. Yes. Matt, I hope you are happy with your knife. I will put it in the post this week, and yes, we have a little lanyard for you here and a little gimmick here, my Black Ninja with paracord. Yes, thanks for watching, and yes, have a nice day.